Today my topic is adverbs. What is adverbs? What does it do? Very simple. It is said that adverb modifies verbs, adjectives and another adverbs to add to the change the meaning of a word. You see the example, it will clear your doubt. How does it modifies verbs, adjectives and another adverbs also? See here, Ram runs fast. Ram runs very fast. Ram is a very good boy. In the first one of the example, you see Ram runs fast. How does Ram run? Ram runs fast. Fast is the adverb. It modifies the verb run. In second one of the example, you can say Ram runs very fast. How does Ram run? Ram runs fast, but how much fast he runs? Very. Very is the adverb. Fast is the adverb. Here adverb modifies the adverbs. In third one of the example, Ram is a very good boy. Here you see boy is a noun and before the noun good is added, that is adjective, and very is added before, that is the adverb. Here it modifies the adjective also. In this way we can say that an adverb modifies verbs, adjectives and another adverbs also. Right? Now we will see the kinds of adverbs. These are the kinds of adverbs. You see the first one is adverbs of manner, adverbs of time, adverbs of place, adverbs of degree, and last one is the adverbs of frequency. Right. Now one by one we will see. The first one is the adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner tells us about the way something happens. They can answer the question how. If you want to find the adverbs of manner, you have to ask the questions with how. See the examples. Say speaks politely. Salu sings sweetly. Say speaks politely. How does she speak? Politely is the adverb. What kind of adverb it is? It is the adverb of manner, because I have asked the questions with how. As the same in the second one of the example, Salu sings sweetly. How does Salu sing? Salu sings sweetly. Sweetly is the adverb. But what kind of adverb it is? I have asked the questions with how and the answer comes out. It means it is the adverb of manner. Now second one is the adverbs of time. What is adverbs of time? You say adverbs of time. Adverbs of time tell us something about the time an action happens. Means adverbs of time tell us something about the time an action happens. they can answer the questions with when. If you want to find out the adverbs of time, then you have to ask the questions with when. See the examples. He will return my book tomorrow. He will return my book tomorrow. When will he return my book? Answer would be tomorrow. Tomorrow is the adverbs of time. Leave this place now. When do you leave this place? The answer would be now. Now is the adverb of time. Third one of the adverbs is adverbs of place. Adverbs of place. What is adverbs of place? Adverbs of place tells us about the place where something happens. Where something happens. Where. Certainly it will answer the place. They answer the questions with where. If you want to find the adverbs of place, then you have to ask the questions with where. See the examples here. I want to sit somewhere. Where do I want to sit? Somewhere. Somewhere is the adverbs of place. Some boys are sitting outside. Where are some boys sitting? Outside. Outside is the adverbs of place. God is everywhere. Where is God? The answer would be everywhere. Everywhere is the adverbs of place. Very important thing. Here the list I have noted for you. Here, there, everywhere, somewhere, inside, outside, underground, in, out. These are adverbs of places. Right? Now the fourth one is adverbs of degree. What is adverbs of degree? You know what is adverbs of degree? Adverbs of degree tell us the degree or extent to which something happens. They can answer the questions with how much, kitna, how much. Sushma completely cleaned my room. How much did Sushma clean my room? Completely. Completely is the adverb of degree. She is quite happy. How is she happy now? She is quite happy. Quite is the adverbs of degree. Right? Here some adverbs of degree I have noted. Very, to, almost, enough, so, quite. These are adverbs of degree. Now number 5th is adverbs of frequency. Means how often. Frequency. How often. Adverbs of frequency tells us how often something happens. How often something happens. See the examples. I often think of visiting Kerala. I often think of visiting Kerala. How often do I think of visiting Kerala? Often. Often is the adverb of frequency. I sometimes travel to Bhagalpur. How do I travel to Bhagalpur? Sometimes is the adverbs of frequency. some adverbs of some common adverbs of frequency I have noted. Here you see often, sometimes, rarely, many times, regularly, frequently. These are adverbs of frequency. These 5 kinds of adverbs that we have talked about, and how can we judge that what kind of adverb it is. For this, what are those things through which we can ask the questions, and these different kinds of adverbs will come out. Hope this chapter would be very effective for you. So take care. Thank you very much.